Hey guys, welcome back to Warrior Cat Queen. So today we are going to be playing Playcat's Morph Friends Rescue, and we are trying to rescue some morphs in this. So, I made a new group called Playcat. It's where, it's basically where if you guys really love my videos where I make a lot of Playcats things, then just do that. So I've only made one Playcats video, one video of this. So we're going to do a second video of this game, and yeah, I don't know what that is. This is Little Friends. Okay. So apparently you have kittens now. I don't have a kitten. So on floor 1, I'm trying to unlock everybody on floor 1 before I go to floor 2. So I have a lot of people that I don't have on floor 1. I have 62 out of 70 something. 62 out of 72. Yeah, we're not there. So we're still on floor 1, so let's try to find everybody in floor 1. I'm using this morph. I rescued it some way and somehow. I don't remember exactly though. So, a way to cheat is you just come over here. Ooh, there's a present. What is this? Oh, I got a present. Open holiday doors. There's a crate down here. Friend rescued. Snaggle. Okay. Oops. Doops. Okay, so to get the blue key, we need to come up here. You can just push those. You honestly want to get the apples a lot, I guess. Then what is this? Claim rewards. What do I get? Kibble. So and then you can also, oh, he looks very holiday. You always want to avoid getting caught by them. I really want that present. Uh-oh, oh crap. Oh no. Okay, we're good. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. He's coming. He's coming. Okay, he didn't notice me. Take it very small steps at a time. Okay, so now we're going to try to get up here. That is some button. Okay. So we're back up here. And now we get to go down there with the blue key. So you just press it. And then, oh, she's right there. Hello. Okay, it doesn't look like anything is in this room that I haven't already gotten. So we're just going to go ahead and collect this gift and come in here. Oh, there's an egg. Wait, how do you get to the egg? Wait, what? Oh, yes, I remember how I used to do this game. Or this area. So you would come up here and then you would jump on top of here. And then if you needed something, okay. So we're gonna go back to get that egg. It looked cool. Collect egg. Okay. First, would you like to make paint sample? No. First, find art stations to paint your egg. Pressing it. Would you like to paint? No, I wouldn't. I wouldn't like to. Can we like move my egg in here? Okay, we need to find an art station. Is there anything else in this room that looks suspicious? or fishy. I don't think there. Nope, no, there's a gift right there, but that's on the way out. Okay, I think I got everything. Wait, what does it say to pick up? Oh, I got the apple. So if you press the apple, it makes like rainbow poo and stuff, which I think is weird. Ah, here's the paint symbol. Paint. Egg cannot be painted here. What? Oh, I have the star egg. I need the star one. Okay. Is there anything right here? Interact. Interact. Wait, what's over here? Yeah, this is, we got Snaggle. That's the cat view reward. We've already got mine, okay? Okay, we're gonna go over here first. Gift. There's not much. Oh, no, there's an egg, there's an egg, there's an egg. How do you get up there? Collect egg. I'm just gonna replace it, okay. Collect. Did I collect everything? Wait, there's a little space under here. Oh yeah, I got it. Okay, I'm gonna go over here to this gift. What do you want? No! Need to buy this and this. Oh hey, I got the... Oh, never mind. Oops, I touched it. Nope, this is going to floor 2. So we want to go back to... Seriously? Seriously. We want to go back to floor 1 now. So a quick way to go back to floor 1 is to just lose your health. Why am I not? Bro, I hate it when it teleports you. That's the worst way. No, we don't want to replace that. I've already done that. I am lost. Will anybody take me? I'm a lost kitten. Ah, there's doors right there. Will you get me? Oh, darn it, what happened? Oh, there we go. Will you get me? Never mind, we'll just go up. I think this will get us. Okay. Next. Okay, good. We're going back to spawn. Where's spawn? Hello? Hello? Okay. So last time we went over, ooh, what is this? What did I do? Collect. You need 10 presents. You need 20 presents. You need 40, 30, 50, or 60, 50. 84. I only have 10, so let's go open the 10 slot. And then once I get 20, I guess we'll open the 21. Let's go in here. Rescue. Ooh, I got Frost. That's an automatic key. Yes. Frost. Okay. Let's go get me some more presents. Anywho, So, like I was saying, last time we went this way, so now we're going to go this way, and that's 12. We want to get to 20 presents so we can go back and open the 21, the 20th one. This place is like a giant maze. Can you double jump? I think you can. Oh, there's somebody right here. I did not know that. Ooh, I got a weird gecko, man. Oh my gosh. So the red key is in this room. Okay, we're going going in here. Okay, there's nothing in here. We'll go to this one. Nothing. Oh, wait, nope, there's an apple. Okay, there's like nothing in here, so we'll go to the other room now. More rooms. There's an even bigger egg. I'm not gonna take that because I just don't want to. Okay, how do we get up here? Seriously, we have to go over there? Well, where's over there? Oh, we need to push the ball over here. I forgot. Darn it. Perfect. Oh, there's somebody right there. I got Rover. Okay. Well, that's nice. Wait, there's a present over here. I'm getting that instead. Or can I? I can't. Darn it. I think I can, actually. Nope, never mind. Okay, we can't get that present, sadly. We can't get that present, sadly, so we're just gonna go over here and get this present. Rescue. Who'd I get? I got rainbow. Sick. Oops, I fell. No, I fell! Yeah, we're forget about it. We're just gonna forget about that. I think there was another, yes, it's over here. So there's another door right here that of course has another door. Interact. Okay, we'll come back. There's a present up there and I want that present. I'm a greedy cat. There's a present down here. I want this present too. What's down here? Another egg! No, I'm keeping the egg I want. I just gotta find its paint stations. Bruh. Okay. I have to go through obbies to get my presents, which is so not cool. What's in here? Yes, we have 20. Okay, so I'm not. No, I'm not picking you up. Can you not double jump? Oh, you have to get on the fans. Okay. There's a way. Ooh. Oh, there's a crate right there. Okay, well guys, I'm gonna let you go. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe, hit the bell, and thumbs up. And remember to join my game, or my group, Play Cats on Roblox. Bye!